Greetings. Today is April 3rd, I believe. Wednesday, April 3rd, pretty sure. On another ride today on the bike, third day out. Still enjoying it. It's very much fun. Today is about, I think, geez, when I left home, maybe it was like 12 degrees. But they say it's supposed to get cold tonight, and we're supposed to get snow for a couple of days. Doesn't seem like snow now, but hey, it's spring in the Maritimes. So anything's possible. It's very nice. I went down this other road here. It's definitely more of a forested two-track road as opposed to a gravel road. And it's cool, but it gets creepy because when you're by yourself, you start, thinking something might be following you, like a large cat, or you might bump into something you don't want to bump into. These are thoughts to keep in mind when you are cycling by yourself in the woods. Whoa! I'm trying to hold this up with the wheel. Look how cool, like. So, anyways, yeah, that's today's cycle report. The trees are creaking. I'll share some footage of the road and the big puddle. Okay, I better go. It's getting creepier. And the clouds are getting dark. Okay. Let's hope I left it in a gear that's reasonable. Okay. Hey buddy, I know I'm a weirdo. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. This is sweetheart. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. I like your crocuses. Yeah, you have beautiful crocuses. Very nice. Okay, I'll see you later. Oh no. Oh, prickly.